What up, Blockheads? Taking out the Harley because I gotta go run by the post office because I got a shipment to send out. I'm sending this Springer seat that came on the 48. Posted it up on what was it, Instagram. Somebody responded like immediately. Basically wanted to buy it, so I'm going to be posting up a couple more parts. I also do have another announcement here in just a second as soon as I'm on the bike, and that announcement is Patreon. So I do have some Patreon announcements. If you guys don't know what Patreon is, basically it's a way to sign up, get some exclusive behind the scenes access, help support the channel. What are you doing, guy? Or gal, I don't know what you are. You're a bad driver is what you are, damn it. Love this bike! Oh my god, it's awesome. It's all scoop. So yeah, Patreon announcement. Basically I'm starting up this thing called the Block Box. Now it's not always going to be a box, right? It's kind of a play on words. Two play on words. One, Block Box. Two, Black Box. Kind of a combination, right? You guys know what a black box is? They have them in like airplanes and stuff. So you know what a lockbox is. I'm not even going to explain that one. Yeah, so basically I'm starting this thing per month where I'm going to be giving stuff away through Patreon for you guys. So come on, light, damn it. It's hot. I don't want to be out here. Yeah, so starting up this thing where I'm going to be giving away stuff per month, what I call the Block Box. This month, the Block Box is going to include, it's starting basically this month, so March, April? Yeah, I guess April. And every month it's going to be something different. So I'm going to have basically one package. I'm going to give away that package to one randomly drawn patron. So this month it's going to be the Blockhead banner, which I ordered extra for the FXR Dyna Day event, and it's basically the one that we put up along the stunt course, and so it's got like burned rubber on it and shit. Like it's just, oh man, it's associated with a really good day, right? FXR Dyna Day. If you guys didn't see that video, go check it out. Yeah, it's gonna be that banner. I'm gonna throw in just like some other random stuff that I pull out of my garage. I'm gonna be throwing a bunch of stickers in there, some of the newer Blockhead stickers, which, do I have them in here? I don't know if I have them in here. Yeah, I do have them in here. So these ones, these are basically die cut. You well, they're not die cut, but you peel them off in the center, so it's kind of like a sticker business card, right? Came up with that design a while back. So gonna have those in there, and then just stickers from other sponsors that we've worked with, and then I'm also gonna have other parts, you know. So for like next month it's going to be probably some lighting, and then the following month will be, I mean, it's going to be all sorts of stuff, guys. So if you want a chance to win this stuff, what you have to do is you have to be a patron. And so here's the way that's going to work. Through Patreon, you guys can sign up to help support the channel if you'd like, and you can pledge. The absolute minimum is $1. So you can basically go on there and say, I'll give you $1 for the month. So for that month, if you pledge $1, you're going to be entered one time into the drawing. I'm going to resume this here in just a second because I don't want to get hit by a car.
2,000 years later.
God, hate Orlando traffic. Anyways, re-explaining the Patreon thing. Whoops. So basically, here's the way it's going to work. Patreon, at minimum, you can pledge $1 a month, right? So let's say on average I put out 3 videos a week, right? So 3 times 4, 12. Let's say I do, let's just round that down, let's say it's 10 videos per month, right? And you pledge $1 a month, right? So basically you pledge $1 an episode, but you max it out at $1 a month, right? So whenever I put out a video and I post it up on Patreon, it's going to charge $1, and that's going to be your basically entry for the month. You'll get charged $1, it'll go towards the channel, etc., etc. Now, if you set it as $1 and you don't set a limit, and I release 10 videos in a month, then you basically get charged $10 and you get 10 entries to win the block box. Now if you pledge, like say there's some patrons right now that pledge $5 an episode, right, which is awesome. Thank you guys so much, I greatly appreciate it. And to the patrons that have been signed up for a while and that have basically helped support the channel for a bit, I thank you guys so much. Just offhand patron perk. But if you guys end up getting past the $100 mark contribution to the channel, I send you guys a free t-shirt. And I actually need to make a special patron only design t-shirt, which I'll get there to design that up. I just recently designed a new t-shirt. Oh yeah, patrons also get discounts, like exclusive discounts for merch, so that's another perk. So yeah, if I release, if you pledge $1 like per episode and you don't set a max, and I release 10 episodes a month, then you're entered 10 times. If you pledge like $5 an episode and I release 10 videos, then you're entered 50 times. Obviously your chances greatly increase with the more you pledge. And I mean, you can always adjust that depending on what the prizes are. If it's something that you really want, you want to put in like more for your chances to win, then you're more than welcome to do that. Or if you just want to do the $1 per episode and max it out at $1, you can do that too. The way I set it up is so that it would be really affordable for anybody that wants to join, and it's more meant as like behind the scenes access, because I post some stuff over there that I don't post up on YouTube. Like whenever Pedro and I did the wheel and tire install video up at Standard, like we had a bunch of like little outtakes. There was a bunch of times where he was like, don't put that in the video, like, okay, you're gonna want to cut now, you know, kind of stuff like that. You know, little parts where we messed up, but due to the magic of editing, you guys don't see that in the how-to videos, right? I cut all that stuff out, and it looks a lot more seamless and easy than what it actually is. So like I ended up posting up a bloopers reel over there for the patrons. That's just like one of the exclusive kind of perks that you get as a Blockhead patron. So yeah, if you guys are interested in trying to win the block box for the month, like I said, it's gonna have a Blockhead banner in there, some stickers, might be a couple other parts in there. Probably be like a little surprise item every now and then. Might even throw like a hat or a t-shirt and stuff like that in there. So like one of the patrons, big thanks to David, he's actually pledged $5 an episode, and since he signed up, he's contributed over $100 to the channel, man. It's like freaking awesome, and that's just incremental, little by little, you know, like $5 per episode. So huge thanks to you, man. I greatly appreciate it. And the other day I messaged him and I'm like, yo dude, like I really want to give back, you know, to show my appreciation for you helping to support the channel. Send him a t-shirt. I'll probably be sending him another one because like I said, I really want to make a patron only t-shirt, you know, Blockhead patrons exclusive. Like you can only get it if you contribute so much. But yeah, I mean, I guess that's the overall gist of it. I think it's a cool new move, you know, like I said, my overall goal is to give back to you guys, because y'all have been so awesome in supporting the channel. It's come so much further than I ever imagined it would. Anyways, be right back. I got a post office. All right, check it out. We got some fan mail. Cool. If you guys want to send some fan mail, address is Blockhead Moto, P.O. Box 18, Windermere, Florida, 34786. Send whatever you want, man. I don't have a thing. A couple other motovloggers have a thing that you send them. I don't really have a thing. Never decided on one. Appreciate it. Thanks, sir. Bet you anything he rides a motorcycle. Overall message about the whole thing is that you guys have been awesome. You guys have been absolutely awesome to me, you know, to the channel, you know, hitting the subscribe button and interacting, comments and voting whenever I put up polls. Like, it just kind of blows my mind that, I don't know, yeah, a little over a year ago, you know, I started up this whole thing, and we're kind of at the point we are right now with it, and coming up on, like, we just hit 40,000 subs a couple days ago, and we're already at like 42,000. So it's like, dude, the channel is growing awesomely, and that's all thanks to you guys. And so I want to be able to give back. So to those people that took the extra step, you know, and got involved to the point where they're willing to contribute to help the growth of the channel, to help this continue to go somewhere. Like, I want to give you guys back something, and that, like, to me, that's awesome that y'all are willing to do that. If y'all are willing to do that, I want to take care of y'all as well. So that's where the whole idea of the block box comes from. It's like trying to give back to you guys. And then slowly, little by little, you know, that'll become more of a thing. You know, it'll be bigger and better prizes, because I'm going to basically start taking the money from Patreon and putting it into prizes. So you guys will basically have a chance to win, you know, bigger and better stuff. And then eventually, like I announced during the New Year's resolution, I want to give away a motorcycle. You know, like I want to do a Blockhead bike build. You know, it's something that I have mentioned, and it kind of, like, it was going to come up pretty quick, but it kind of has been pushed back a little bit because, you know, we're looking at buying a house. Obviously, I've got to focus on that first and foremost. You know, I got some financial ducks in a row, and the next thing is a house. So, got to focus on that before buying another bike to fix up. But we'll get there. Anyways, I can't say thank you guys enough. If you do want to become a patron, if you want to have a chance to win the block box, check out the link in the description below, or patreon.com/blockheadmoto. Don't you do it, guy. He was looking. He thought about it, but he looked in his rearview mirror and saw me looking straight at him. What up, dude? Oh shit, I like your bike. BMW S1000RR. Hell yeah. Wonder if I can get him a spam card or a spam sticker. Is that what I'm calling him now? So I'm talking about biker community. I can roll up on this dude and say, what up? What's up, man? How you doing, brother?
It's first year.
Yeah? Dude, it's so nice.
Which one's this?
It's a 17 Lowrider S.
Lowrider S.
Yeah. It's a 110 cubic inch.
Right, Rob.
Oh, those are awesome. Alright, bro. Biker community, yo. Anyways, yeah. I guess that's the announcement. If you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon while you're over there so it sends you notifications of future uploads and all that. Be part of the notification squad. If you guys enjoy motorcycle content, you got friends that enjoy motorcycle content, be sure to give the channel a share. I think there's a share button somewhere down there. It makes it really super easy for you. So if you guys are interested in sharing.
Where you headed?
The Harley dealership, actually.
I-4 downtown.
Right on.
Looks like I'm looking at it, the Indian Scout.
Oh, that's a cool bike. It's a lot of fun to ride. If you check out the channel, I did a test ride on that bike too. It's a lot of fun, but you'll probably want more. Yeah, probably something along this, you know, a bigger engine, especially if you're used to the 1000. You know, looking like into the dyna line of cruisers, like from Harley. Oh man, his bike could kick my bike's ass. Such a nice ride, dude. I would love to test ride one of those things. A lot of electronic riding assistance with those though. And I'm not a huge fan of the headlights. Later, bro. Get off of my visor, you. How many of you guys know about that problem? There's a bug on your visor, you can't just like smear it, you gotta like lift it up off the visor so it doesn't like smudge all over the place. Damn, that's a good looking truck, dog. I like it. It's all blacked out, but little tiny bits of chrome. It's tasteful. Looks good. Well done, sir. Did I forget to do the sign out? I think I did. If I did, hey, if you guys like the video, hit the like. If you guys aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe, hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant, and I will catch you all later. Deuces. Race to get to this cap. Not. This guy's riding all over the road, man. He's distracted, he's on his laptop. Is that worse than being on a cell phone? It's like emailing and driving instead of texting and driving.